Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video guys, I'm going to explain to you and also to show you how you can download and set up Windows 10 in a USB flash drive or pen drive. This will allow you to either perform a fresh installation from that pen drive or flash drive, or it will allow you also to perform a Windows 10 startup menu repair or blue screen or dead screen repair. To do that, or to create a bootable USB, you will need just to open your browser, make sure that you are connected to the internet, and make sure that your pen drive or flash drive or memory device is having enough storage or enough space. Personally, I'm using 14.7 gigabit, but you can use at least 8 gigabit to be sure that it will work. So below 8 gigabit you might have some problems, so I suggest to use either 8 gigabit or more than that. Next step, we'll go to our browser and we will type download Windows 10. Make sure that you select www.microsoft.com and we'll click on it. Once you have opened the official website of Windows 10, make sure to select Download Tool. Don't click Update because this will update your computer. We'll click Download Tool. Once the tool has been downloaded, we'll just click on it to have it running. Windows will prompt a message asking you if you really want to upload the application. Just click Yes. And you will have to wait a few moments. Windows will appear, or this window will appear saying that getting a few things ready. You will have to wait a few seconds, up to 2 minutes. Once Windows has finished getting the things ready, the license terms will appear. I will invite you to read through if you are interested. Otherwise, personally, I just click accept. So things will get ready again. It will take again 1 to 2 minutes, and then we will be prompted to download Windows 10. Again, once getting things ready, you will be prompted to select between two choices, either upgrading your computer or creating installation media device, USB flash drive, DVD or ISO file. I will just click create and click next. And here, what the Windows has done, they have analyzed my computer and they are suggesting Windows 10 64-bit, which is matching with my computer. However, if you want to download Windows to set it up or create a bootable USB to set it up in another computer, I will invite you to verify if the computer or the final destination is with an architecture of 64-bit or with 32-bit. How you can do that? If, for example, I want to reformat this computer which I'm using now, I will just type dxdiag. I will click run command. I will have to wait just a few seconds to maximum 30 seconds and a window will pop up. And here is telling me about the architecture of my computer. So I have operating system Windows 10 Pro 64-bit. And my BIOS should be also 64-bit. You can also do that on older version of Windows by going to Control Panel. You click on the Control Panel. You go to System and Security. You will select System. And here under System, you can see that System Type 64-bit operating system and the base processor. This is the most important part. The base processor should be 64-bit. So please remember that a 64-bit based process, which means that your computer has been set to run 64, it will not run 32, or the other way around. If your computer is set on 32, it might not run 64, or the performance will be very low, or you will have some incompatibility problems. I have never done this mistake before, so I don't know exactly what happened, but some of the people, they were saying that if you have a 32 based processor, you cannot run 64-bit, but if you have a 64, you can run 32 and 64. So for now, we'll just close this and I will select use the recommended options for this PC, and I will select 32-bit, or the best option, you can select both if you want. For now, just 32-bit, and we'll just click next. Then the computer is asking either I want an ISO file which I can save in my computer and use as a base to save on other, or to create based on it other bootable USB, or if I want to set it up directly on my USB flash drive. We'll just select the first option, and here it's mentioning that it have to be at least 8 gigabit. So just click next. Here is my flash drive. I will just select next, and it will start. You can keep using your computer while the Windows is being downloaded and set up into your USB flash drive. The operation might take between 5 to 10 minutes based on how fast is your internet and your computer performance. However, it shouldn't exceed 10 minutes. Once the operation is done, it says your USB flash drive is ready. You can just click on finish or close. If you click finish, it will take just a few minutes just to run some tests and it should be done. However, what you can do, you can just open the file and go to check your USB on the PC shortcut, and as you can see here, I have my USB ready, and here I have the boot file, EFI, source, support, and here the setup where you can click to check if the operation is working. I will invite you, once you have completed, you can go ahead and run if you want to repair your computer or if you want to do a format or fresh install, and it should be working. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial. If you are new in our channel, don't forget to subscribe to get our latest video, and also press like if you find this video helpful.